so big. I found it. It was right over here. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on with my finger. See, I think it's easier to use the stick. Okay, so if I put it on with this, all right, that's good, like that. Now, that's the difference in the colors. They're very similar. Okay, the consistency, it's very smooth. It's very creamy, it's very smooth, and so is this. That's the difference in the colors. This is more orangey. I don't know. What do you think? This is a little deeper, but this is so much easier to use. And they golden triangle, precision blusher, Delium tools. So I just use this for the bronzer, and they are exactly alike. I'm watching a romance scam video on YouTube, and how these people are sending, they think they're lovers, they think they're sending their romantic interest money, but meanwhile they're being scammed and catfished, and people aren't who they say they are, and they're really just some scammers in another country just trying to get your money. It's horrible. It's horrible. You don't know who you're talking to. Morphe brush E4. Perfect blush bronzer contour. It's a perfect brush. So you could go around here. It's a perfect brush. This is great lip gloss. I have to get another one of these. This is the NYX Instant Filler. Instinct Filler. Instinct Filler, not Instant Filler. Now, I'm just looking for a neutral lip, so I'm going to try this. I like the long-lasting lipsticks because otherwise they just slip and slide and disappear if it's not long-lasting. Okay, Mocha, maybe this one, Sally Hansen. That's good. Now we have to see if it bleeds, or it smears, or it disappears, or it cracks. Lasting Lip Gloss 07 Romantic Beauty Silk Matte Lasting Lip Gloss. Romantic Beauty Professional Makeup. A little more of this Mocha. Love You Mocha. I'll show you the name. The swatch too. That is Love You Mocha. And this is 07, whatever. Oh, right, so it is a little deeper, which that's what I was looking for. Something a little deeper to make some sort of definition. See this Wet n Wild Mega Slicks and this NYX Filler Instinct. They're very similar. Now this goes with peach, pink, mauve, brown. This is your all-in-one lip gloss. And we'll see if it bleeds. This is the Revlon Brow Kit. Oh, see? It's got a sticky, clear, and it's got a powder. Put it in the powder, and then put it in the cream. It sticks. And it's not too dark, which I like. I don't like dark eyebrows on me at all. So you do powder and cream, powder and cream. Or cream and then powder. I think powder and cream first. You want to push these hairs down. Because you do the eyebrow and then you've got hairs sticking out. Eyebrows are the challenge. And then we're just going to put a drop of this. And then we're going to put this gold. Let's see, put a little, it's very, I could change my lips again because I like to play with my lipstick. Look at that. Ooh, it's a lip oil. Ooh, that's pink. Oh, no. We're changing the lips. We like it, but we're changing them. Should we do a juicy pink? What is this? Very sincere. Let's try this. I come across scammers all the time in my direct messages. They start talking to you, flattering you. A lot of bull. It's just a lot of bull. Let's see. This. It's disgraceful. Oh no, that's completely different. That would have gone with the other lip. Oh, look at this. Ooh. I'm going to put this on, or and whatever I use, I put on the top shelf so I can remember what I used in case I want to know. in case I forget. Wow. You know, like it looks good. I don't know. Not bad. Not bad. No. Actually, I have it right here. That's the color. And this is L'Oreal Infallible Paints Metallic in Moon Lust. Wow, that really matches. Well, let's put it here. Okay, that's Moon Lust. And this is Loyalist. This is my other Delium tool that is insane, wonderful. This is the paintbrush one, the double tiered. Oh my God, this is incredible too. These brushes are so good, and they don't fall apart like the cheap ones do. Like, I've thrown the cheap ones away. This is another little one. Look at that. Isn't that great? I gotta wash these again. These are two of the greatest brushes that I own. And then we have this, and then we have this whole set. Oh, these are Delium. Wow. And then we've got the Morphe too. Wow. That comes with the whole set. And then we have, now this is a cheaper line. And one of these already got destroyed, but I'm still going good with these. These have the finger divots. These are amazing. They're by Brushworks. Very, very cute. You just have to be careful washing them. And then, of course, the Sephora. The Sephora Pro blush. And all the Sephora Pro brushes are incredible. So I usually keep them on deck, what I'm using. I keep it on deck in case I have to refer back to it. So I'm going to go down and just give these a quick wash. And I'm coming back with a haul. Big haul.